Hey guys, it's another day, so that means it's time for another Poshmark Q&A. I'm going to try not to complain about pregnancy. I'm actually going to film a pregnancy update after this, so if you want to hear me complain about pregnancy, watch that video, but I won't do it in this. Okay, first question. Hey Vanessa, love your videos and appreciate your wit, candor, and infinite wisdom during this challenging time. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Seriously. I noticed in one of your recent videos, you said you were going to You said you were going to pull your summer items like swimsuits and shorts and relist them again in the spring. Does that mean you're going to take those listings down completely or mark them as not for sale? I'm only asking as I've seen somewhere. I don't know if it was on YouTube. It was on your YouTube channel or somewhere else that if you mark an item not for sale, you can easily relist it again. Is that true? That's, that's what you should do. But I didn't do that. Unfortunately, I just deleted summer listing. So yes, I did go through my closet and I took down all of my summer, well, not all of my summer stuff, majority of my summer stuff. I didn't mark it as not for sale. That would be the smart thing and easy thing to do because then you can easily relist it. I didn't do that. I deleted the listings and I'm just going to relist everything in the, well, probably towards the end of winter time. So yeah, I mean, if you want to make things easy on yourself, just mark it as not for sale. But if you want to do it the hard way, like I did, I don't know why I did it that way. If you want to save yourself some time and energy, do that. Okay, next question. Hi, love your vids. Okay, so this is kind of the same question. How do you take your summer listings away and then bring them back in the spring? Is there a way to do that on the closet app without deleting it and having to relist it again in the spring? Sounds good. Just want to do it right. So yes, exactly what I just said. Save yourself some time, mark it as not for sale. And when you're ready, you can mark them for sale again. Next question. Does listing sizes fall out of the one paragraph suggestion for SEOs? Does listing sizes fall out of the one paragraph? Okay, so I made a video, I'll link it down below, talking about SEO tips and tricks. It was just a bunch of information that I got from PoshFest. Again, I'll link it down below. I'm going to be better about linking things down below. You guys always call me out. You're like, Vanessa, you always say you're going to link stuff in the description box, but you never do. I know. The two people that talked on that panel said that for SEO purposes, it's better to have one paragraph as your description as opposed to line breaks because Google doesn't like line breaks. Google has trouble reading line breaks. So one paragraph. So to me, that means just throwing the measurements in that one paragraph. Like I usually just put them at the end. I liked the way that it looked with line breaks. I mean, honestly, I don't think it would matter too much if you did a line break with the measurements. I would at least put the size in that one paragraph and then you could do a line break for the measurements. But like I said, I just throw everything in that one paragraph. Okay, next question. Hi, so I sold a Good American jacket, retail arbitrage from Nordstrom Rack. Funny thing, the last label has a typo. Instead of for, it says foo, F-O-U. The buyer put a claim in that said the item might be counterfeit because of the misspelling on the label. I asked another random seller with the same jacket to add a picture of that label. Hers had the same misspelling, so the buyer won the case for the misspelling on the label. I added in my comment where I purchased, and I didn't think Nordstrom Rack would sell counterfeit. What would you have said, or would you have not said anything? I definitely would have said something to the buyer. I would have been like, hey, like I got this at Nordstrom Rack, like, I'm pretty damn sure it's legit. I would have been like, this buyer has the same jacket and the same misspelling on the label as well. Did you ask the other buyer where they bought that jacket though? Just out of curiosity. But yeah, I definitely would have let the buyer know that you weren't trying to like scare them. You weren't trying to scare them and scan them. Scan them. What am I trying to say? Scam. You weren't trying to scam them. I would just let them know that. I need to go to bed. When will my husband be home? Oh my gosh, not soon enough. Yes, I would let them know that you weren't trying to scam them or mislead them in any way. That's how you purchased it. Next question. Why do men's clothes sizing consistent? I think this person is just saying like, why are men's clothing, why is their sizing consistent? I know it's crazy. It's not fair. It's not fair. I mentioned in a previous video how it was annoying that different companies have different sizing, and even one company will have inconsistent sizing like Victoria's Secret. And then somebody commented and say it's because of the way that they like cut the fabric, because they do like, I don't know, they cut it like cheaply, or they use cheap fabric, or I don't know, something, but there was a reason why the sizing is inconsistent. And yeah, it is annoying. But yeah, I do agree that majority of men's clothing, like the sizing is consistent, and that's annoying. And although that's good, it's annoying when you're a woman looking for women's sizing and it's not consistent. Okay, next question. I get tired of sharing. I have to do thousands of shares to get some likes. How do you count all the likes, shares, etc.? Does it count for you? I gave someone an offer, 6 items for $99 plus free shipping, LOL. See if I get a response. I've been doing this for a week or two and have not sold anything yet. So this person commented on my recent video where I did a little Posh experiment. So I actually went through and I counted all of the follows, likes, shares, sales, etc. that I got. It would be great if Poshmark counted that for you, but they don't. Poshmark doesn't really have great analytics. I was on Mercari the other day because I've started cross-listing stuff on Mercari, and they have like a whole seller dashboard with like all these analytics. Like, it's great. It would be awesome if Poshmark could do that too, but you know, I'm not gonna bitch and complain that they don't. It's not worth the energy. And this person's question, this was also on that same video, are you doing edit next list every time or sharing to followers? So in that video, I was sharing to followers. I don't know. I'm going to do a follow-up on that video because I left out like so much information. You guys are like, okay, it'd be good to know this. It'd be good to know this so you could compare. I'm like, yeah, that was a crazy day when I filmed that video and like try to get all that information in there. So I'm going to do a follow-up to that video and give you guys more information. Maybe I'll just include that in part 2 because I am doing another experiment where I do shares every hour, but just a different time frame than what I did. First experiment was 9 to 6. Now I'm going to do, I think, noon to 10 or noon to 9. I don't know. I haven't like fully decided yet. I will give you guys more information in that video, and I apologize for not giving you all the information. My brain. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.